my channel. Before we get started, like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. And I have my cousin slash god sister and then my other cousin slash god sister. We're gonna go downstairs and get some snacks. But we have to be quiet because like we already got a noise complaint. These are the brothers. And then our brothers. But we have to be quiet because we already got a noise complaint. Okay, we're gonna go to the elevator now. Our grandma's coming with us because our parents didn't let us go by ourselves. No, we're going by ourselves. Oh yeah, we are. I thought our grandma was coming. Yeah. I thought our grandma was coming. Yeah, she's not. It's because... Shut up, guys. Okay, so... Oh, my brothers. My brother. Okay, so we're gonna go in the elevator. It only takes 3 seconds. But no. We're going up. We're going down. We're going down. We're both going down. No.
No le van a prestar nada a ustedes. Jelly nomás. Ay, Diosito.
Okay, hurry up. 1! It's 1!
Oh, one.
Where's that? Okay, there. We're fine.
Guarden el teléfono.
Okay, we're going.
Guarden.
Okay, we're going. And we're gonna go to the store. There's a store in the hotel. This. What do you guys want? We have $50. One thing. How much money? 50. There's so much snacks.
These are so good.
They are? You got them?
I don't know what I want. Look, there's a pack of
Una cosa cada uno. Apúrense.
Hurry up.
I'm gonna get those.
I want gummies. The big pack was
I'm getting these. They have like ice cream too, but we all got our stuff. Wait, hurry! Marty, hurry! Okay, so we're going.
Take your time. Nothing to drink?
Yeah.
You got me. That was
I'm gonna sit down. $45.
You're welcome.
Thanks. These are good. I love these. You got pretzels?
Abuelita got these.
Oh. We're going outside to the car now. also got these. Eran el mismo. Nomás me lo
Es que
robó.
no saben, no tienen que saberse las cuentas de ellas, saber cuánto es de cada cosa, no saben, no tienen que pagar. Hasta que hacen las cuentas, ellas saben cuánto es.
So we're gonna go to the car to get some stuff. And there's baby kittens, so we want to see the baby kittens because the baby kittens are so cute. We're in Arizona, by the way.
No, abuelita, es este.
No, este no es.
See?
Este.
Hurt. Oh my god. Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Your skin peeled off?
Yeah, because the blister popped.
Hi.
I want to open these so bad already.
I know, me too. There's baby cats.
It's so hot out here.
Yeah, it's like, I'm already sweating.
I know, me too. We're only outside for a little bit of time.
Yeah. We're in Phoenix. We normally live somewhere else. I can't tell you guys where we live.
Hey, Eli.
We live in Shafter, California, but I'm not telling you my address because, yeah.
Not go over there. Your brother was going over where that green car was.
I know. We want to see the cat. There's literally so much rocks.
I like to go on them.
Me too.
But if we fall, then it won't hurt.
Yeah, because, oh my god, look at that big old perfect cricket. Okay. This is like the longest video I've ever done. We got the vegetable chips, and then she got the things. And then my brother got gummies, and then my cousin got
Kit Kats
Kit Kats, and he's almost done with them. And then my other cousin.
Hey, Gumilon.
I don't want to show anybody's like cars because
Me or you? I don't like you.
I want
I
to see the
stay
thing.
here.
Guys, these are also like a scam because like it was $45
No,
for
it's
just
25.
no, it's 45. Oh, and it's like half of the bag, $45 or $25. Like it's half of the bag. Like it's such a scam. Yeah, and I can feel mine. It's literally filled up to right there. Like
Bruh. Mine's up to right here.
it's just the air. Yeah, it's open.
Oh, I opened it.
Oh, I'm like, it's open. We're in Arizona. As I said, we live in California.
I fell.
My brother just fell. Okay, so now we're gonna go back on the elevator. And like, this is my longest YouTube video I've ever done. So we're gonna go back to our hotel room because literally this is so expensive. This is $5 for a bag of chips. Like normally in like California, it's like $2 for a big bag. It's so fresh. Okay, we're gonna go to our suite. Yes. the elevator and then we're gonna go up to our room. Yeah. Sleep. Our suite. Yeah.
This is like a red carpet.
Yeah. Don't press anything in the
No
elevator.
se mueven ustedes allá más que Lili le va a mover.
So click 3 and the thing that closes faster.
Porque a las cosas no se les pica porque después está mal. Espérense,
Listen, JD's almost gonna be
hasta que se abra bien. O viene una gente.
Go.
Una nomás. Porque le pican y después de trampa y que estamos trampados aquí. Por eso una nomás tiene que moverle las cosas. Igual cuando estemos hablando con una gente, una va a preguntar nomás. Oír las otras que están preguntando. Ay, Dios mío.
Our room is over here. Our room. We're gonna go back to we're not live. We're staying in separate rooms.
Yeah.
But they're like right across from each other. So that's like
Jude.
and like sometimes we ding dong bit to each other. Yeah. Well, like we knock. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I'm missing mine. Oh. We're going to our suite. So this is my room. Mine is like the other room. Yeah, hers is right there, and then mine is right here. So I have to go home. Okay. Well, bye guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.